Have you ever wondered what makes research reliable? In research, rigor is key. It means being thorough, honest, and methodical. This ensures findings are trustworthy and useful. Today, we'll explore rigor in both quantitative and qualitative research. We'll simplify complex ideas and show their real-world importance. Rigor is not just a concept, it's essential in producing credible knowledge. Researchers make careful choices at every step. They think about questions, design studies, collect data, and share results. In regions like Zambia and Zimbabwe, rigor is universal yet culturally specific. It adapts to local contexts. First, let's look at quantitative rigor. Validity and reliability are central here. Validity answers if a tool measures what it should. Internal validity checks if conclusions are justified. For example, in a cash transfer study in Zambia, researchers must consider outside influences on results. External validity asks if the findings apply beyond one group. For instance, results from farmers in Zimbabwe may not suit urban areas. Next, we consider construct and criterion validity. Construct validity checks if a measure reflects theoretical concepts. Meanwhile, criterion validity compares measures to external benchmarks. For example, assessing food security requires various data types. Reliability, on the other hand, ensures consistency in measurements. Test-retest reliability checks if similar results come from repeating tests. In Zimbabwe, seasonal factors need consideration. Inter-rater reliability ensures different people measure consistently. For instance, photo coding of household items must have clear guidelines. Internal consistency looks at whether related items measure the same concepts. Now moving to qualitative rigor, we often refer to trustworthiness. Trustworthiness includes credibility, transferability, dependability, and confirmability. Credibility, like internal validity, means trust in the findings. Techniques like extended participant engagement enhance credibility. For example, studying health volunteers in Zimbabwe involves long community interactions. Transferability, akin to external validity, describes how results apply to other contexts. Rich descriptions help others assess applicability. A study on youth unemployment in Lusaka should provide ample context. Dependability emphasizes steady research processes. Audit trails, which track methodological choices, support dependability. In politically sensitive areas, detailed accounts of data collection are vital. Confirmability is about objectivity. Researchers mitigate bias through audit trails and transparency. In post-colonial contexts, understanding researchers' positions is crucial too. Overall, these criteria guide trustworthy research processes. In Southern Africa, rigor goes beyond these criteria. It includes ethical sensitivity and cultural relevance. Engaging traditional leaders can ensure community approval. Interpreting findings through local lenses enriches the research process. In conclusion, rigor is crucial for quantitative and qualitative research. It ensures findings are meaningful and applicable. Researchers must approach their work with integrity, tailoring methods to cultural contexts. For those interested in research, remember to prioritize rigor in your studies. Consider validity, reliability, and context in your work. Explore these concepts further in your next research project. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share. Let's continue improving our understanding of research together.